it easy. Are you taking the mic?
Maintenance, no pollution, no corrosion, no power.
And no power. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Right, welcome back to another video, guys. We've got this bike, and we basically want to get it to run. Not that it's going to do anything.
That looks like, you're right, there's 3 lead acid batteries down there.
Maybe there's 4. Well, for further inspection,
You'll start pulling it to bits because there's 3 of them.
stock batteries fucked it again.
The lead plates have turned to schmoo.
They're dead.
And this one, this looks dead.
If you're new to the channel, I'm going to be showing you my moped because I like to. This is my electric one. No, this is my motorised one. It's a Peugeot Speed Fight. That'll be on the road soon. But this is an electric one, and it's absolutely mint. I fell asleep the whole way back, didn't I?
Yeah.
I was tired, fuck. No, don't pull my bike.
Oh, you got to do them as well.
I'm only doing my bike like that. Yeah, we'll undo them properly.
You don't trust. Look, it's got a quality assurance mark. It's totally fine.
That's
It's obviously mint, right?
Is that meant to be like a fake Gov logo?
Yeah.
That's fucking hilarious, man.
Racket.
I like speedometers. I like mechanical ones. They look better, don't they?
Yeah.
At least apparently it's done 7.3 miles.
Scrapping this thing. It's done 7 miles. It's 7.3.
The rear brake's irrelevant. The front one's really good. Really good. It's quite squishy, but yeah. Yeah, these look pretty cool. It's like a knockoff Peugeot V-Click, basically. If you've ever seen a V-Click before.
Is it?
Yes. That must have lasted a while.
Yeah.
On 20 it'd be alright. Not as good.
Yeah. Yeah, the other one was 23. Now,
There you go.
this was designed to go about 100 miles, mate. So, it would have done.
That's decent. You got your lights. This is literally the same infotainment system as Tom and Kennan's Bayoston. I don't really think it does anything.
Let's get the multimeter out and see what those batteries are like.
Alright. Set up after not being started for about 15 years is what the guy said. Oh no.
Charge cable. Crap.
You got the batteries out first?
Pull the batteries, yeah.
Yeah, we'll pull the batteries out first. Right, so
Hold the brake for us.
oh,
Oh,
we've got lights. Do that again. Ah, we have not got lights.
it's flicking.
Do that again. Is that brush or brushless?
It did run, now it doesn't want to run.
It's possessed.
Mechanical problems compilation.
That's going to be on the compilation video. Does a lot.
Now stand up. Right, let's take the plastics off it and start getting to the actual wires and seeing what does what.
Don't sort out the wrong ones. Tom's lost the wrong ones now. What's that do?
Absolutely nothing. Right, okay.
I had to do that, I'm sorry. I need lights.
They're probably never going to work.
My lights are
The
mint.
circuit board underneath there is totally mint.
Why did it do that?
Maybe main relay's gone. What did you press?
This. It glowed green, dude.
Well, that did.
No, that. Down there.
Ah, fucking main relay's gone.
I would have accidentally pressed that while I was riding it. Okay, we're all good.